And shortly after signing up for the program, I realized I didn't just sign up for an online course. I have signed up to a community. I was now part of a community of like-minded people who were actually there and genuinely interested in my success throughout their program. Ashley came to those question and answer nights with her full and undivided attention. It was immediately obvious that Ashley was there and concerned for the success of her students. She made time and she made space for us. And that in itself was absolutely amazing. Knowing that you had that support and that connection with an actual real life instructor, you don't find that in a lot of online courses. If you're thinking about signing up for the program, my advice would be to take the leap, invest in yourself. This is a form of self-care, whether you're doing it for interest or for business. You're creating time, you're creating space for you to grow as an individual and become part of an amazing community. I hope to see you in the student group someday.